And hello everybody and welcome back to Bazzar Repairs and Reviews. Ooh, look at what you're seeing here. These are the Oakley Flak 2.0 Sport Prescription Sunglasses. Sold by SportRx, made by Oakley, with prism trail lenses, specifically designed for trail runners and bike runners on trails. I've wanted these for a long time, and I finally got my prescriptions in. So thank you, Oakley, and thank you, SportRx. These are absolutely marvelous pair of sunglasses, and I cannot wait to get these on the trail to see what they can really do. But before then, let's take a look at everything these have to offer. So these do offer a USA made removable lenses, nice frame, snug fit, won't fall off, full eye coverage, durable, nice Oakley, beautiful design and logo. Pretty much everything you want in a pair of sport sunglasses. Look at how they look. Fit the face perfectly. Amazing. Now, let's get these over to the trail.
Alright, I gotta say, I am blown away, and I don't say that too often, by these shades. Absolutely phenomenal contrast. And it's not even dark yet, so really nice for the trails. The glasses I wore before were just regular eyeglasses, and I would have to switch between daylight and sun. And I just gotta say, so far I'm blown away. We're gonna see. It's about 6:30 now. Sun will be setting in about an hour, so we should be able to see how it does in low light and somewhat bright light. So far, so good. So we're going up to the top of that mountain there where the flag is. Then I'll be running down to see if these glasses hold up on the descent, because the last glasses definitely would fall off as I ran. So looking to see if these are hold up, how they do with sweat. We're gonna put them through the ringer today. I'll let you guys know, but visually, 10 out of 10. Those are incredible. Thank you, Oakley, and thank you, SportRx. Phenomenal. Whew, the view up here is stunning. I do this hike all the time, and it just doesn't look this crisp and clean. It's feels like I've been missing out. I wish you guys were able to see through the lens, but probably be blurry anyways with my blind eyes. Let's get to going, baby. Let's go. Woo, okay. About a mile in, 25 minutes, 1,800 feet of elevation. Definitely something to get you sweating real quick. Gotta say, sweat distribution or dispersion definitely doesn't get in my eye like my last glasses. This is my first pair of prescription sport sunglasses, so take that with what you will, but these are incredible. The Oakley Flak, I believe, XL. Great pair of glasses. So, vision's great, feels great, very snug, crisp, clear image. Never seen anything like it before in my life, not exaggerating. And the last test will be when I run down to make sure it doesn't fall off my nose. I doubt it will. It's got a nice fit, but the test will tell. So let's get down and we'll see. We'll give you my final verdict when I get to the bottom of the hill. So far so good on the downhill. Also lower light. It's not sunset yet, but got a little shade. Low light is great. Definitely want to try these at night though. One time, that'd be awesome. All right, let's continue. All right, and that's Wisdom Tree with the Oakley's prescription sunglasses by SportRx. Absolutely phenomenal. You cannot even shake these things off if you wanted to. Great downhill running track. I'll give you my final thoughts at that. All right, so back in my car, and I think you guys already know how I'm gonna rate these. So verdict is, I'd say 9 out of 10. I don't even know why I'm not saying 10 out of 10. Probably just, I got in my car and I got my glass got a little fogged up, but that's because I'm inside my car. Outside, no fog at all. Sweat distribution perfectly fine. Sun already set. Low light is amazing. I'm gonna try these at night, so I'll probably do another video on that because I do run at night. Fit, perfect. Can't shake these things off. I don't know what else you want in a pair of glasses. So thank you once again, Oakley. Thank you, SportRx. It's definitely worth it. Put the link in the description. Thank you guys for watching. And if you need a pair of prescription sunglasses or just want some regular sunglasses, Oakley is the way to go. We'll probably be reviewing more glasses in the future. But with that said, see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.